Welcome back to the channel. It's time for another teacher question. I'm starting to get a lot of assignments posted under each of my topics. How can I organize them somewhere without deleting them? I want a kid to maybe be able to go back to it sometime, but I want it out of the way. A couple of ideas for that. I don't know what'll work for you, but here's some possibilities. Let's get into a class that has a bunch of assignments. Right now, for me, that's all of them. Maybe you're feeling the same way. Here we are in September. We've been in school for going on 6 weeks. So in classwork, I hope you're already making topics. I have all of these topics set up. You can jump to any of them. Your students are figuring that out. Everything in my classes goes by chapter, and English 12 for sure. And so everything's in here chapter by chapter. I posted the textbook link up here at the top. I'm trying to keep it up there. Anything else that we do comes in under that. This is all that topic. Here's everything that goes with chapter 1. And yes, it is kind of busy because chapter 1 is the full-size chapter and we've done something every day with it. And I've posted pieces of information and forms, and I have some things that are already set up that way. So if this is too much for your students, you've got a couple of options. You can teach them that they need to look here in the stream at what's upcoming. These are the things that are coming up due that day, the next day, within the next couple of days. They can view everything. They can see what's due. And then they can get to it from there in this stream and the upcoming. And then they can see everything that goes with the chapter over here in the topic. If this is too cluttered and you want the topics to be just what they're working on that week or that month or that unit, you can label them differently. You can go in and take these things that maybe you're done with. Maybe you want everything from August in its own August topic, for example. You can do that. Here's all of my August information. If I want this to go to a different place, I can edit it and I could make another topic now that we're done with it and make it August. And here's everything that we did in August that's going to be in that topic, or week 1 or weeks 1 and 2 or something like that, and make it more of a timed thing. I'm not going to do that for my high school students because I want them to be able to find things within the chapter, because that's how we talk about things in my world. But if that works and that would keep the topics from being cluttered for you and for your students, especially as we think about elementary level, that this gets really overwhelming perhaps. If you wanted to, after you've used it over here, you can rename it and put it in a different topic. Do not delete those assignments. That messes everything up. Don't go deleting them. They did the work. You want them to be able to get back to it. Don't go archiving the whole class just because you want rid of those things and you want them out of your way. The newest things that you create are going to be up here at the top of that topic, and we're going to have to teach our students how to navigate through that. Here's the topic that we're on. Here's where those things go. You can also, for organization's sake, move the topics. You can move this one up so that this is the main thing that we're working on. You can also put things up at the top of classwork by not giving them a topic at all, so that it shows up, it is locked up here, if that helps with big things that you want to be sure they see, or you want to be sure parents are able to find. So a couple of possibilities for cleaning up your classwork and making those topics work for you. Hope you find something that helps those students. Thanks for watching. Come back for another answered question.